Blend is a proportional mix of our top 3 dry products: Optimize, Maximize, and Nourish-Biosol. Optimize is concentrated organic matter, calcium, and iron. It attracts and feeds zillions of beneficial soil microbes. Maximize contains every mineral in the periodic table, and it has higher level microbes, bacteria, fungi, protozoa. Nourish-Biosol is an all-natural fertilizer and soil builder made from the cultures of soybean meal and cottonseed meal. Together, these 3 products provide you with our most comprehensive and fast soil building results, as well as feeding all your plants simultaneously. We recommend you use Blend within 60 days because sometimes it goes to work in the bag if you try to store it for longer, especially if there's heat involved. If you're concerned about this, you can buy the products separately, and that allows you to store them indefinitely, and then you mix it yourself. Use a recipe of 1-2-3, 1 part Optimize, 2 parts Nourish-Biosol, 3 parts Maximize. Blend can easily be applied by hand, no need to till it in. Blend is great for lawns and plants and trees and shrubs and flowers and vegetables of all kinds. It can be used with Penetrate Liquid Biotiller in raised planters and pots. You'll never have to change your soil again if you annually treat it with Blend and Penetrate Liquid Biotiller. For planters and containers, double the application rate when using Blend. For small plants and starters, use 1 cup. For small trees and shrubs, use 1.5 cups. For large trees and shrubs, use 3 cups. 6-pound bag of Blend treats about 350 square feet. Don't worry, you don't need to be precise. You can't burn it and you can't over apply. So if you want to use twice that much, that's fine. We're giving you a rate at which we think you get your best value. I usually apply over broad areas, and if specific plants are struggling, I put more in those areas and do some target feeding. Blend is activated by water. If you have drip irrigation, it'd be nice to apply it when you're still going to have some rain, or you can use your own hose and sprinklers. But you don't need to water it in if you don't want to right away. It can sit there without burning anything. Blend is 100% organic, safe for people and pets. Blend comes in a 6-pound and 40-pound bag. We recommend 2 applications in spring and fall, but sometimes in July people will ask me, when should I use it? And the answer is as soon as possible.